In this video we are going to discuss various parts and section of boiler. Refractory material is used on the furnace floor and front burner wall. It is also used behind the water walls, etc. The primary cause of boiler inefficiency, and a major contributor to boiler shutdowns, is refractory failure. The factors contributing to refractory failure are: the material selected does not match the environment that exists, is that, reducing atmosphere. The material selected does not match the fuel being burned, is that, the amount of alkali, sulfur, hydrocarbons, vanadium, or moisture present in the fuel. The material was improperly stored, mixed, installed, cured, and/or dried. The material selected did not match the environment created after the burning of the fuel, is that ash and slag. Steam drum provides reserve space for steam. It receives feed water to provide gravity head for natural circulation. Safety valves are mounted on it. Water level gauge glass indicates the water level. Cyclone separators separate steam from a mixture of steam and water entering the steam drum with high velocity. The saturated steam from the drum passes to the superheater. The steam drum is made of nickel-molybdenum steel or nickel-chromium austenitic steel. Downcomer tubes have large diameters and are placed outside the flue gas stream. They carry water from steam drum to water drum and headers. The water flows through downcomers as the temperature of water is relatively less. The tubes are made of low-alloy carbon steel. Risers are placed in the main flow of hot flue gases providing larger heating surface area. The water rises as the specific weight is lesser due to high temperature. The steam and water rise through the rear headers and flow back to the steam drum. The risers or generating tubes form the rear and side walls of the boiler. The tubes are made of low-alloy carbon steel. The superheater consists of few bent elements arranged at right angles to boiler tubes. The elements are expanded into headers, which are fitted with internal baffles to give adequate steam passes. Saturated steam is heated to superheated temperatures in this section. The superheater tubes are made of chromium molybdenum steel. Water drum on lower side of the boiler receives water from steam drum. It provides space for debris accumulation. The debris is removed by intermittent blowdown. The water drum is made of nickel-molybdenum steel or nickel-chromium austenitic steel. The furnace has water wall tubes lining the side, rear walls and roof. At the bottom, tubes are welded to a furnace header. The burners are fitted on the front wall. The front wall and floor are lined with refractory. Refractory protects the boiler casings from overheating and distortion. They prevent possible leakage of gases into machinery spaces and reduce heat loss. The function of fusible plug is to protect the boiler from damage due to overheating of boiler tubes by low water level. It is simply a hollow gun metal plug screwed into the firebox crown. This hollow gun metal plug is separated from the main metal plug by an annulus fusible material. The fusible plugs used in firetube auxiliary boilers are installed in the crown sheet. When the water level of a firetube type auxiliary boiler approaches the crown sheet, the provided fusible plug will melt.